Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create business flyer simple and easily in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD called flyer. Open the file inside Photoshop. It's a design ready. Right from layers panel, guides, everything is ready for designing. You can straight away start designing. So first here we are going to bring in our flyer main image. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. Open the image one inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'm going to place this image inside our image folder. Okay, so image is ready. Next we are going to create our flyer main design. For that, go to design folder, create a layer, name it as shape 1. Go to color picker, select blue color. You can select any color you want. I'm going with blue. Okay, next select polygon laser tool and I'm going to create some random shape. Okay, now I'm going to fill our color by using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Okay, our first shape is ready. Next, create another layer, name it as shape 2. Select polygon laser tool. Now I'm going to create a triangle here. Again, Alt backspace to fill. I'm going to create a duplicate copy. I use keyboard shortcut Ctrl J to create duplicate copy. So I'm going to reduce the opacity of the shape 2 layer down to 60. Now I'm going to select move tool and I'm going to move the shape 3 little bit behind. Okay. Next, I'm going to select rectangle marquee tool and select those portion that exceeds the guideline. Select those shape, hit delete. Okay. I'm gonna repeat it here. Fine. So our design is ready. So next, I'm going to add our text content. For that, go to the text folder, create a new layer. Go to color picker, select black color, enable text tool. I'm gonna write some random text. I'll increase the size as 55 points. The font I'm using is called Leto. You can download the font. I'll give link in the description. If you want, you can download it. I'm going to create a duplicate copy and edit this one as business. Another copy. Okay. Now I'm going to move the text a little bit to left side. Fine. Okay, so next we are going to create our main text content. Before creating our text content, let's create a guidelines. For that, select the guides folder, create a new layer, go to color picker, select any color you want. It's not going to be issue. Enable rectangle tool, give a click and create a shape which reads 1112 by 484. Okay. So using this shape as a guide, I'm going to create a guideline. Okay, so now we can hide the guide folder. Next, go to the text folder. I'm going to create a text which reads about the company. Oops, I'll reduce the text size. I'll keep it as 20. Okay, place it somewhere here. I'll change the font style as bold. Okay, fine. So next we are going to create our main text content. I already have my text content ready in a text file. I'm just going to copy paste it inside our canvas. I'm going to copy the main paragraph. The main text is here. I'm going to adjust the text position. Okay, I'll place this one. Next we are going to create 3 bullet text. So I already have the text here in a text file. I'm just going to copy paste it inside our canvas. So our bullet text is ready. So I'll adjust the position a little bit. Now I'm going to create two duplicate copies using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Another one. Okay, so our main text is ready. Now we are going to add icons to those text. For that, you don't need to go anywhere. I already have a pre-designed icon inside the PSD. It's placed inside a folder named shapes. You just enable the folder. Okay, now I'm going to move the first icon and place it somewhere here. Second one, and place it somewhere here, and the third one, plain icon here. Okay, so next we are going to create our company contact, mail ID, location, other informations. For that, create a layer, go to color picker, select black color, enable text tool. So I already have my contact information ready in a text file, so I'm going to just copy paste it. So our flyer is almost ready. As a final touch, we are going to add icons to our contact information. You'll see a folder called icons. Just enable it. You'll see all those 3 icons: phone, mail, and address. Just adjust the position. Okay, so our flyer is ready.
So that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.